So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. In this Ask Electric Vehicles 8th episode, I will answer some of the subscribers' questions. The first question is asked by Mr. Baibav Karn. His question is E-Mote Electric. When will be launch or any idea of this Surge e-bike? Please update. We already made the review about Surge 10K electric bike and we will upload the video tomorrow, and we have mentioned every detail about the bike specifications and the launch date, everything, and please watch the review video tomorrow. And the next question is asked by Mr. Vinayak Chavan. I'm a farmer. My daily travel to farm field is 20 kilometers. So which scooter to choose? Pure EV, Bellingora or Komaki? See, you need to mention the question very clearly. You have mentioned Pure EV, but in Pure EV there are many other models like ePluto 7G is there, eTrans Plus, eTrans Neo. So there are other models as well. In Komaki also there are several models in that. The scooter models are there and bike models also there. So if you can clearly mention your question and we are able to answer that easily. And moreover, the Pure EV vehicles and Bellingora, we already made reviews in our channel. Please have a look at these reviews in our channel, and also we made ownership reviews as well. So kindly go through these reviews and you will get a conclusion which electric vehicle you can choose. That's the answer for your question. And the next question is asked by Mr. Learn and Note. I want to know whether Ola electric scooter will be given door delivery in any part of India. Yes, that's a part of Ola Electric, and they are planning to give doorstep delivery for this Ola electric scooters. If you book the Ola electric scooter, you will also get a doorstep delivery. That's the answer for your question. The next question is asked by Mr. J. Babu. Can you say, is there FAME2 scheme applicable in Odisha or not? Is there any state subsidy available for EV? See, firstly, FAME2 scheme is applicable to entire India. It's not just specific to particular state. If any vehicle is eligible under FAME2 schemes, for example, a manufacturer is eligible under FAME2 scheme subsidies, you can buy the same vehicle in any part of the state, you will get the subsidiary benefits. And there is no point that one particular state not eligible for FAME2 scheme subsidies. It is entire pan-India level, the subsidies will be allocated. That's the answer for your question. And the next question is asked by Mr. Harshu Reddy. I am planning to buy an Ather 450X. Is it worth buying now? I stay in Bangalore. Can you suggest me which to buy, electric or petrol as of now? Or should I wait for few more days? Yes, you can wait for few more days till August 15th. Because Simple Mark II is coming and Ola electric scooter is also launching on Independence Day. So you can have a look at the specifications and go accordingly. Or else Ather 450X is also one of the best electric scooters in India, and most of the Ather owners from Bengaluru itself. So you can go for Ather 450X, or else you can wait for August 15th. That's the answer for your question. And the next question is asked by Mr. Sagar Patil. What is the subsidy available on Tata Nexon EV? Does Tata Nexon XM XZ Plus comes in FAME2 scheme subsidy? Of course, Tata Nexon electric car is eligible under FAME2 scheme subsidies. Based on the battery capacity, under FAME2 scheme, Tata Nexon EV getting a subsidy of around 3 lakh rupees. But that amount is including the ex-showroom price. For example, the ex-showroom price of Tata Nexon EV now is 14 lakh rupees, right? But the original price of Nexon EV is 17 lakh rupees. So they have minus the 3 lakh rupees and they are giving the direct benefit to the customers. That's why the price of Tata Nexon EV is 14 lakh rupees. So that's the answer for your question. And of course, XM XZ Plus are just variants. These variants also get the same 3 lakh rupees subsidy. And also some other states providing additional state subsidy. For example, Delhi government is providing around 1 lakh rupees subsidy on electric cars. So it is an additional benefit. If you buy the same Nexon EV in Delhi government, it will be affordable by 1 lakh rupees. And the next question is asked by Mr. Rama K. Reddy. Ather in Hyderabad expects you to sign a document that says we register in 45 days or pay 43,500 rupees. They need a check to hand over this bike. Isn't it absurd? I tried reasoning that I will be available and pay RTA charges. I mean, his question is, the showroom people is asking an advance amount of this 43,500 rupees, the subsidy amount. They are asking the customer to give the subsidy amount first. If they give that subsidy amount, they will hand over the electric scooter to the customer. See, this same practice is doing by some other manufacturers as well. For example, Hero Electric is also doing the same, and Revolt Motorcorp is also doing the same. So they are asking customers to bear the subsidy first. After 45 days of the registration process, the FAME2 scheme subsidy approval credited into the manufacturer account, then they will send the money to the customer account. So that is the reason most of the dealers asking the customer to pay the subsidy amount first and hand over the vehicle. So you don't need to worry about that. You will get the subsidy amount. And finally, the last question is asked by Mr. Raj Gopal. Can Ola Electric will be equivalent to 125cc scooter in terms of performance and ride experience? And definitely Ola Electric scooter to have a rated motor power of around 5 kilowatts. So the performance of Ola Electric scooter is equivalent to a 130cc petrol scooter, or even higher than that, close to 150cc petrol scooter. So performance wise, you don't need to worry about that. Ola to offer one of the best electric scooter to India. So these are some of the subscriber questions. And subscribers, if you have any doubts about electric vehicles, please do ask them in the comment section below. If you can clearly elaborate your question, and it is very easy for us to answer them even more clearly. For genuine information about electric vehicles, please do subscribe to Electric Vehicle channel. Go green, go electric.